Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's neighborhood tour, unlike our other tours, we won't be sticking to one specific neighborhood. We'll be touring part of two adjacent neighborhoods. We begin at the intersection of Carrollton Avenue and Tulane Avenue in what is traditionally known as the Mid City area. The neighborhood name in the upper left-hand corner of your screen is the neighborhood name defined by the New Orleans City Planning Commission, and in this case, it also happens to be Mid City. This section of Tulane Avenue is the southern end of US Highway 61 and has long been known for seedy bars and motels. However, in the past few years, a lot of gentrification has occurred. The median, or neutral ground as we call it, has been widened and parking lanes have been added. Traditionally, Tulane Avenue had 3 travel lanes in each direction and a very narrow median, and left turns were prohibited at all but 1 or 2 intersections along the entire length of the street. The colorful building on the left is a Volunteers of America assisted living facility which replaced an old Social Security Administration building back around 2010. On the right is the New Orleans Criminal District Court, built in 1931. Here at South Broad Avenue, US Highway 61 comes to an end, and we join US Highway 90 for the remainder of Tulane Avenue. Here we enter the Tulane-Gravier neighborhood. To the left is the new Veterans Administration Hospital, and the brick building in front of it is what remains of the old Dixie Brewery. The facade of the building has been restored after long being derelict and blighted, and is now part of the VA hospital complex. From South Rocheblave Street to Claiborne Avenue on the left, what was once residential neighborhoods has been replaced by the VA hospital and the new University Medical Center. On the left in the grassy area in front of University Hospital is what was once 1825 Tulane, and if you're from New Orleans and over 30 years of age, you probably know that that was Rosenberg's furniture store. And to the right stands St. Joseph's Catholic Church, completed in 1877, and features the longest main aisle in a church in New Orleans at 150 feet. We turn right onto Claiborne Avenue, following US Highway 90. Then we'll turn right on Gravier Street and head back towards Mid City. Along this first few blocks of Gravier Street, we pass the Louisiana State University Health Sciences Center, the LSU School of Nursing, and the LSU Medical Center. On the left is the old Falstaff Brewery, now converted into luxury apartments. The brewery operated here from 1937 to 1978 and featured a tall sign visible above which had a ball on top of it that glowed in different colors to indicate the weather forecast. After crossing South Broad, we again enter the Mid City neighborhood. Legend has it that Louis Armstrong was born somewhere in the block to the left where the New Orleans Municipal Court now stands. We reach Jefferson Davis Parkway, and here we'll loop around the overpass that crosses the Pontchartrain Expressway and head back towards the Central Business District via Perdido Street. Along the entire length of Perdido Street that we'll be driving, almost everything is related to the Orleans Parish Criminal Sheriff's Office, including Orleans Parish Prison along the right-hand side. Here we run into another overpass at South Broad Avenue, so we'll follow this around to Poydras Street. We'll finish out this video with a drive around the Superdome and the New Orleans Arena. The Mercedes-Benz Superdome opened in 1975 and is home to the New Orleans Saints NFL football team. As we round the bend, the New Orleans Smoothie King Center, originally known as the New Orleans Arena, is on the right, opened in 1999. Over the years, the arena has hosted the New Orleans Brass hockey team, the New Orleans Hornets basketball team, now called the New Orleans Pelicans, and the defunct arena football team, the New Orleans Voodoo. After driving around the back of the arena, we'll take an underutilized ramp onto US Highway 90 Business headed for the Crescent City connection. If you're from New Orleans, did you even know you could do this? We conclude our video here on the Pontchartrain Expressway. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.